Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you some hints and tricks on applications using the new IGORA Royal High Lifts. I've split this mannequin into 4 quarters to show you 4 different hints and tricks. Let's start with the first quarter. Now let's just imagine that this client has a grown out high lift. All of this is her previous high lift colour. She needs to lift up the roots. We may need to give it a gentle kind of neutralising tone to the ends, but not with the IGORA Royal High Lift. I'm going to start by applying just the colour literally on the roots, but I'm going to leave out the hairline underneath and just around the sides. The reason for that is the hairline is naturally a little bit lighter or finer, and that takes quicker, especially when using the stronger neutralising tones like the -2-1. Now what I'm going to do is to take fine sections and I'm going to apply the colour rather than a tint. I'm actually placing the colour on as you would if you were using lightener. You need to have plenty of product so that you ensure that maximum amount of lift before the deposit of the tone. Now what I'm going to do is take fine sections all the way up to the crown, and then I'll come back round and do the back quarter over here. I'm being very careful not to overlap too much. And I'm applying colour, almost like placing the colour onto the regrowth. This is our first application finished. So you can see I've literally just applied only on the roots, and at the end I went back in and did my hairline. Now I'm going to leave that for 45 minutes up to an hour.